Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve title templates. First, navigate to the Edit page within DaVinci Resolve. On the left side, locate the Effects library and expand the Titles category. You will find a wide selection of pre-designed templates ready for use. Simply drag your chosen title template directly onto your timeline, positioning it above your video clips. This initial step sets the foundation for adding professional text to your projects. Once your title template is on the timeline, select it to reveal the inspector panel on the top right. Here, you can fully customize its appearance. Change the default text to your desired message, choose from hundreds of available fonts, and pick any color you like. You can also adjust the size, position, and rotation of your title to perfectly fit your video's composition. Experiment with these settings to achieve your desired visual effect. To bring your titles to life, consider adding animation. In the inspector, you can set keyframes for properties like position, scale, and opacity, creating dynamic movement. Enhance readability and style by adding a subtle drop shadow or a clean border. For more complex motion graphics and intricate animations, you can right-click your title clip and open it in the Fusion page, unlocking a powerful suite of tools for advanced visual effects. After perfecting your title, you can save it as a custom preset for quick reuse in future projects. Simply right-click on your customized title clip in the timeline and select Create New Macro. Give your macro a descriptive name and choose where to save it. Your new custom title will then appear in the Effects library under Titles, ready to be dragged and dropped whenever you need it, saving you valuable editing time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.